Ever wanted to create a directory on your WordPress website, maybe for bookings, hotels, medical professions, basically a directory of anything you want? Directorist is a pretty new plugin, which I think is quite fantastic in what it does. We're going to use a free version alongside Bertha.AI to show you how Bertha can actually help populate your listing descriptions that you will be using with here. But very quickly, Directorist, it has tons of features. It is super cool in what it does, and I think it gives you a lot more than what I've seen in other directory plugins and themes, and I'm not joking about that. It is free. There are quite a few extensions. I'll just quickly show you that. If you want to add BuddyPress, if you want to integrate with PayPal, Stripe, live chat, things like that. And they do have a pricing model as well, whereby you could either pay for 3 months, lifetime, or a year and start to use this on your website with all the extensions. But the key thing that we're focusing on here at the moment is once you've installed this, and don't forget it is free, but if you want the extensions, I would say go and get a premium version. Once you've installed it, you will then have access to this on your WordPress website, which is directory listings over here. And I've already imported into here some dummy demo listings, okay? Pretty simple. Now we're going to go to Jack Restaurant and we're going to click edit. When you're adding a listing, you could do it via this page or via an application form, but the gist of it is completing some details and fields to be visible for your particular listing. And remember, you could use this for practically anything you want. It doesn't just have to be rooms or estate. But we're going to go over here to where we would normally add in our description. Now, one of the things that you can do that's going to hurt your conversion if you just put 1 or 2 lines or very basic sentences that don't describe Jack Restaurant and what is the focus of it and why should anyone care or want to visit it. You'll notice over here we have Bertha hovering away for us. We're going to click that. And then we're going to go to specialty. And then we're going to use the real estate property listing description. What I've already done is put some details in like the brand, location. I've just said London, it's a restaurant. And I've put in the kind of description you might have put in previously into your description for your listing. So we're now going to hit generate ideas. Look at what Bertha has given us here. I mean, you saw what I input seconds ago, right? Look at this expansive description it's given me. It's taken what I've already said, but it's gone on beyond. I did not mention vegetarian options or desserts, but it's put it in for me. I could add to it, I could take it out. But I've got this expansive list of information here. I mean, just look at this. We've got shorter ones as well, of course, but we've got some really big ones as well. And I'm just going to click this one here. And it just starts to populate it onto our screen for us. And I can go in and tinker with it. Of course you would, because it's not going to know exactly everything you want. But we've just taken a paragraph of about 3 or 4 sentences, and we've now produced this. And this is the power of what you could do by using, let me just close that. This is what you could do with using Bertha.AI with the Directorist website as a great way to start populating your listings. This is super brilliant. Remember, she's right there once you've installed her, and Directorist is free. Try it out, have a go. I hope you enjoy it. Take care, see you soon.